Yes. Duplicate entries, whatever new records we are going to insert your database. So then it will throw an error message. This data is like already exists. Something, any customer error message, something like this.
Yeah. One is while creating a new one. Another one is like you can try to insert it through Apex class also, or try to query in the
So,
socket.
so how will you show the error message? Tell me.
How will I show the error message?
Means how will you implement this functionality?
Yeah, we can do it a class, right? No, we can do it through the trigger in case if we can update an account. So we can do something, right? Like logic, if already exists, throw an error message, or if not,
Tell me
some
from
for
admin
loop we
side.
can create.
Tell me from admin side. So we have duplicate rule. Okay. So we have duplicate in this duplicate rule. So we have two options here. Let's say I'm going to account object and I'm going to click on edit button. So there is two options. One is allow, and it will alert. It will give you alert only. So second is block. It will totally block your while you are creating a record. Second is also block if you are updating the record and with the same value whatever it's existing in the database. Okay, it will block you. So even you won't be able to see anything. Like you won't be able to create any records. Okay. Second option is, let's say I'm going to create a new records, new custom fields, and on that custom field I want to implement duplicate rule. So what will I do? Let me just click on any of the value. Let's say text. Take example of text. So this is unique. Yeah. So if it is unique, then duplicate value will be automatically removed. Means no, not removed. Sorry, it will throw a error message. You want to be able to create a duplicate reports. Okay, got it or not?
Yep.
Third thing is like generally everyone asks this question in interview and all. So it's a duplicate trigger. So if anyone is asking you, so write a trigger on a contact object. Whether if I have a duplicate phone number or email ID or whatever name, so or any of this, so throw a customer error message on the screen. Okay, on that scenario, what will you do? On that scenario, what will you do? So you just write a trigger on contact object. Let's say I'm saying my contact duplicate trigger. So in this one, so what will I do here? So I'm just writing for loop on that contact trigger.new. Parallelly, what will I do here? Let me just fetch the whatever, like if I want to write on name or email, so accordingly I'm writing here list of string, or else we can say it's a set of string. New set.
Why do we, most of the time we use only set, right, in the trigger, not the list, right?
No. So sometimes we use set. Sometimes it totally depend on the requirement actually. Even I can use list here as well. So thing is that if I don't want to store a duplicate value in this one, I want to store only like a unique value that I will use set. If I want to add some duplicate value as well, so that I will use list. So I don't want to. So if you are discussing about duplicate value, so it means definitely we'll store only the unique value here, right?
Yeah.
Unique value here. So now what will I do here? So let me just add, let's say contact name, con dot last name, last name. So accordingly, what will I do here? So now I will just query the data from the database, and I will get it. like how many records is duplicate record existing to database. So I have two ways here. So one, I will write a list on contact. I can say phone list, ID, name, from, contact, where, last name, new set. हाँ सॉरी. So यहाँ पे हमें करना क्या है? So now what we will do here, so we'll just check the size only. You know, we can like find out the size because it's more than like one. So if size is greater than 0, so that time we'll enter an error message. So what will be the error message is? Error message is, let's say it's I can do one more thing here. So let me just copy this thing and paste here. Again, I can say it's a con dot add error I can add my custom message here. I can say it's please enter and any other unique value. Okay, something like this. So let me just save this trigger and let's try this one whether it is working or not. So if I'll go to contact object, so if I'll say it's Amarjit, so let me just check whether this is created or this is already existed. So if I'll say Amarjit 1, now it is saving, right? Amarjit is already, let me clone this one and let me just try to save this one now. Okay, now it is showing my error message again, right? Please enter any other unique value. Okay, in case I want to display this error value where this error generally existing, like here I'm not able to understand like in which value I'm getting this error. I'm not able to understand, might be I entered something like this and I'm not able to know where I'm getting this error. So I want to particular on that field only, let's say on last name only. What will I do here? So I'll do con dot last name dot error. Okay, something like this I'm doing. So if I'm saving this one and I'm going to save it again, so this error generally will show only this message only. Now it is showing here, right? So but what I will say here, so this is not the best way to write a trigger only because this is not a bulkified trigger. This is not a bulkified trigger. To writing a bulkified trigger, so what will we use here? So till now here we are perfect now. So let me modify this one only. Sorry, let me modify this one only. So here after this, so what will I do here? So let me just create one map here. It's I can say it's a string contact. It's a key value pair. New map is equal to new. Let me initialize this one. So accordingly, what we will do here? So we are getting. So let's go down. So we are talking about this only first. So now let me just write a for loop on this. Let me iterate this one. So contact cons and this contact list. So now accordingly, what will I do here? So let me just add the values in this one. Dot add cons dot name. Cons dot name because it's a string, so we can add here string because name is a string, so we are adding the string, so it's a contact. So what will I do here? But I'll say cons only. It's a contact. Okay, so we added here, so whatever, so sorry, Generally, sorry, like actually I was on mute and I was like speaking. So यहाँ पे what we will do here? So we created our map here. On this map, so we are just adding the not adding. So in this map we have a method put instead of using add. So if you are using set and list, so instead of that, so we are using an add here. So list and list and set. So we are using add. In case of a map, we are using a put because it's a key value pair. So these are my key because accounts dot name. It's a string and it's a cons, matlab it's a contact. Okay, we are adding both of the values here. So accordingly, what will I do here? So whatever we were doing on the top, actually we are doing here. So let's say, let me remove this condition here. Even let me remove this curly braces as well. And let's go there. Okay, now whatever new records we are getting here. So generally what we will do here, so accordingly we'll say whatever new map we had on the top. So we'll check whether this is contains in this one or not. Okay, so this new whatever new value we are going to create. Okay, what we are going to do here, what is difference previously we created and now we are created difference is that was not bulkify, means that was if we are creating one by one record, that this is working fine. Even I showed you, so it is working fine. But if you will do the same operation with data loader, that time it will not work. Okay, because this is not a bulkify. Okay, in this scenario, so what I'm trying to do here, so initially I'm rechecking again and again this thing, I'm rechecking again and again. So this is I previously I did this thing, right? So what it is doing here, so whatever value we created, new value we are created, so the all the last name, like whatever last name we are adding on the contact object, every last name is adding in this one. If I am getting last name, new last name, मतलब नया रिकॉर्ड मैंने क्रिएट किया, नए रिकॉर्ड क्रिएट करने के बाद जो भी मैंने लास्ट नेम यहाँ पे डाला, जो मैं यहाँ पे क्वेरी करूंगा, तो डेटाबेस से क्वेरी करके लाएगा, तो ये चेक करेगा कि हमारे पास डेटाबेस में लास्ट नेम जो हमने नया क्रिएट किया वो एग्जिस्ट करता है कि नहीं। जो मेरा वो डेटाबेस में एग्जिस्ट करता हुआ नेम, ठीक है, तो काम क्या करेगा, वैसे हम यहाँ साइज चेक करवा के एरर दे रहे थे भाई, एक से ज्यादा मतलब 0 1 से ज्यादा एरर है, तो मतलब वो अपना एरर मैसेज दे देता था। ठीक है, मतलब वो काम सही कर रहा था। ठीक है, बट अभी अपने को करना क्या है, एक काम तो हमने ये करवा लिया वेरीफाई। अब मैंने दूसरी बार क्या किया, मैंने मैप करवाया और मैप क्रिएट करने के बाद मैंने इसको आइटरेट करवाया दोबारा, मतलब फॉर लूप चलाई दोबारा, इसके अंदर ऐड करवा लिया। फिर मैं दोबारा यही चीज दोबारा ऐड करवा रहा हूँ, मतलब इस ये और ये दोनों सेम है, मतलब कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है। फिर मैं यहाँ पे ऐड करवा रहा हूँ। जब मैंने इसको यहाँ पे ऐड करवाया, जो मैंने इसको दोबारा यहाँ पे चलाया, तो ये चेक करेगा कि जो मेरा नया रिकॉर्ड क्रिएट होने जा रहा है और जो मेरा पुराना रिकॉर्ड था उसे एग्जिस्ट करता है कि नहीं करता है। ये जिसके अंदर एग्जिस्ट करता है, कंटेन करता है ये, तो ये अपना एरर मैसेज दे देगा। ठीक है, तो अपने को अभी करना क्या है यहाँ पे अपने को यहाँ पे मतलब जो भी हमने यहाँ पे कंटेन्स कर रहे हैं, तो मैं कंटेन्स कहाँ गया मेरा, कहाँ थे हम लोग, हाँ, तो यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगा अपना कंटेन्स की। ठीक है भाई, तो अपने को करेंगे क्या, अपना मैप के अंदर देखो कंटेंट्स रहता है यहाँ पे। ठीक है, तो कंटेंट्स की का मतलब जो मेरा ये नेम जो मैंने कॉन्टैक्ट डॉट नेम लिया है, जो मेरा कॉन्टैक्ट डॉट नेम, इसके अंदर हमने यहाँ से पुट करवाया जो मेरा यहाँ पे कौन डॉट नेम कहाँ गया, हाँ, जो न्यू मैप के अंदर मेरा कंटेंट्स में कौन डॉट नेम जाता है, तो भाई ये एरर दे देगा। कौन डॉट नेम अपना क्या है यहाँ पे, कौन डॉट नेम, समझ में ना आया तो भाई पूछ लेना, मतलब कंफ्यूज मत होना। ठीक है, तो इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा मतलब यहाँ पे अपना वो दिखा रहा हूँ। तो और अपना ये जो यहाँ पे है, तो सॉरी मैं यहाँ पे कंडीशनल डाल देंगे, हाँ ये बन कंडीशन डाल। ठीक है, तो अपना ये जो कंटेंट करता है अपना एरर मैसेज दे देगा। ठीक है, तो इसमें बताओ किसी को कोई डाउट है कि नहीं। हेलो।
So bulkify करने के time like we always do map as a map string.
हाँ, as a bulkification, so we always should use a map. But not even all the bulkification list will not work. List on set will also work, but totally depend on like if you want to re-verify the things. We are re-verifying the things here.
Okay, you're passing already and you're trying to reiterate it again
Oh, yeah, exactly.
in using the map. So every time whenever you do it, so this is
Even not
the
map.
scenario when you do a bulk upload.
If you don't want to use map here, so list will also work here. List will also work here.
वो duplicate save करेगा ना?
अरे यार, एक सेकंड। हाँ, हाँ वो डुप्लीकेट सेव करेगा।
फिर क्या फायदा क्या है बल्किफाइंग?
क्या
बल्किफाइंग का फायदा क्या है?
फायदा ये
डुप्लीकेट
हुआ
सेव
ना,
हुआ।
नहीं बल्किफाई का फायदा ये हुआ ना कि जो इनकेस आपका वो क्या बोलते हैं डेटा लोडर से करोगे तो उस टाइम पे एरर आने लग जाएंगे ना ये। बट पहले वाला जो हम कर रहे थे उसमें एरर आएंगे नहीं डेटा लोडर से, वो सबको बाईपास कर देगा, ये बाईपास नहीं करेगा।
ओके ओके।
ठीक है, तो ये फायदा हुआ। तो अपने को अभी चेक करते हैं यहाँ पे, ये वाला समझ में आ गया। इसको लिस्ट में ऐड करना है आपको, लिस्ट में कर लो, मैप में करना मैप में कर लो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि ये तो ऐड करवा रहे हो। कौन को हटा दो, डॉट ऐड करके कौन डॉट नेम कर दो, कौन डॉट नेम कर दो, जो ये आया तो इसमें कंटेन करवा लो। कंटेन की नहीं होगा तो कंटेंट्स होगा डायरेक्टली, जो कंटेन करता है तो अपना एरर दे दो सिंपली। अब चेक करते हैं कि मेरा ये सेव करने का ट्राई करते हैं। ठीक है, एक मिनट रुको, मैं इसको, ये तो चल रहा है यार, एक सेकंड देखते हैं ना। तो वही ठीक है, यहाँ से हमने लास्ट नेम को डाला, उसके बाद हमने यहाँ पे कॉन्टेक्ट लिस्ट बनाया, उसके बाद हमने इसका नेम डलवा दिया, ठीक है। उसके बाद यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने भाई ठीक है, ठीक तो है, 1 सेकेंड, कॉन्टेक्ट पे लगा रहे हैं ना, कमाल हो गया यार। ओ सॉरी 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 सॉरी, गलती पता क्या की है मैंने,
लास्ट नेम।
यस एग्जैक्टली, वो नेम एंड लास्ट नेम बोथ आर सेम ना। मींस दैट्स व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग यार, पता है क्या, ऐसा तो कुछ लग भी नहीं रहा। इट्स माइनर मिस्टेक या now it is working fine, right? It is working fine. So now I have one interview. So you understood like everything what I like what I told you now. समझ में आया ना, समझ में आ गया ना?
पूरा नहीं, लाइक और एक बार लाइक वीडियो देखने बाद।
अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं।
बट एटलीस्ट 50% तो समझ में आया, लाइक कैसा आइटरेट करने का, लाइक मैप कब करने का, और
राइट।
या चेकिंग द डुप्लीकेट्स। या
हाँ, तो now thing is that like now I have one interview question to all of you. It's a knowledge note for interview purpose. So let's say I have these records. I have 10 records in the Excel sheet. It's a 10 records in Excel sheet, CSV file. Okay, in this 10 records, I have 5 records with name Amarjit. Okay, 5 record with name Amarjit. And 5 record is say test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5. Okay, and I am going to upload that Excel sheet with the help of data loader to Salesforce, and this trigger is active. So tell me how many record will be inserted to database. Understood the question or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, class आपने
It won't do anything, right? It's gonna throw out the error message, right?
Tell me, राहुल, आप कुछ बोल रहे हो?
मैं तो बोला, आपने बोला 5 नेम तो अमरजीत के नाम से है।
हाँ।
ओके, और जो लास्ट में जो आप 5 नेम बता रहे हो, टेस्ट क्लास 1 2 3 4
टेस्ट
5,
क्लास नहीं, टेस्ट 1 टेस्ट 2। हाँ हाँ हाँ,
तो शायद 6 होगा।
तो मेरे ये वाले रिकॉर्ड डेटाबेस में जाएंगे या ये वाले? और डेटाबेस में मेरा अभी कोई रिकॉर्ड पड़ा भी नहीं है, ये भी इन्फॉर्मेशन है। डेटाबेस में 0 रिकॉर्ड है अभी फिलहाल, पहले। अब मेरे पास ये रिकॉर्ड जाएंगे डेटाबेस में, ये जाएंगे। मेरा ऑप्शन आपके क्या है, देखो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है, मेरे डेटाबेस में कोई भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं जाएगा, 0 रिकॉर्ड जाएंगे। दूसरा है मेरे 5 रिकॉर्ड जाएंगे। दूसरा है मेरे 10 रिकॉर्ड जाएंगे। 3 ऑप्शन है, चलो आपके 5,
0.
10 एंड 0। सॉरी,
I feel 0 because the first 5 entries is the duplicate entries. It's gonna keep checking that, right? 5 times.
एंड सेकंड वन इज नॉट डुप्लीकेट।
तो 5 ही जाएगा ना।
टेस्ट 1, टेस्ट 2, टेस्ट 3, टेस्ट 4, टेस्ट 5।
हाँ
अच्छा विश्वनाथ, 5।
Oh.
So Kumar, what is your answer?
-0, I think 0.
It's 10.
Why?
Understand now. Think and understand, because what we are doing here in the trigger. Now understand. So what we are doing in this trigger, in
Oh,
trigger.
it's new.
Sorry.
Is it because you trigger.new?
Trigger dot
Because
new.
we are not into upsert. It's
No,
no. Go ahead.
no, because in this trigger, so let me just remove this whatever I mentioned here. Because let's say this is your Excel sheet, it's a 10 records, 5 is duplicate, 5 is unique, means 5 is duplicate, 5 is unique. So now it is going to hit into database, but there is no record in the database, it's a 0 record. And what our trigger is doing, so it is just querying the data. If it is matching, then it is throwing an error message, but in database it's a 0 records, and we are going to insert to database, right? So why it will throw an error message? My trigger will work once it is size is greater than 0, but in database size is 0, it is not returning anything. It means it will not contains anything, right? It will, my if condition will not work.
But the first condition will save, right? The first Amarjit one will save it, right? So it
No. It will insert at a time. Everything will be insert at
a time.
Right. Data loader chunk is 200, 200, 200, 200 like this. Right.
But why did you get that concept like 0 size is 0? Because there is no entries in the database.
There is no entry. I told you, in condition,
No.
there is nothing in database.
Got you. But what about the size 0 you were talking about now?
No,
size 0 because the data.
Size 0 means we don't have, it will return 0 records, right?
Okay.
It will return 0 because we are getting a data here, but we are not getting a data from here because there is nothing in the database. It is querying, it is returning 0 records, right?
Yeah.
We are getting data. I'm not sure. I'm not saying that we are not getting. We are getting all the duplicate records here. Even it should show the error message in case we have a records in the contact object, but there is no record. Here we are getting it. Even here we are getting it. We are getting in this set because it is iterating. It is adding here, but there is nothing in the database. Okay, it is not returning it. So if it is 0, so if I'm putting and I'm iterating this one in this for loop, so will it be add here or not? It won't add anything, right? Because it is not returning anything. If it is not returning anything, so again I'm using this one. If it is contains in this one with last name. Last name, again we are getting the count last name, we are getting it. But here in new map we are not getting anything. It's a blank. It's a key value, both are blank. So definitely this will not meet. Definitely this will also not work if it is not meeting. Understand or not?
Yeah.
That's the
आपकी कहने का मतलब कंडीशन कोई मीट नहीं कर रही, इसलिए 10 डेटाबेस मतलब 10 एंट्री जाएगी डेटाबेस में.
हाँ 10 entry जाएगी database.
So this makes sense when you say it is a new list and we don't have anything in the database.
It's a new list, but nothing is in the database. Right.
Yeah, it makes sense in that way.
Yeah, exactly right.
और इसी कोड में वो जो डुप्लीकेट को छोड़ के जो एंट्री जाएगी वो कैसे जाएगी? ओनली 5.
Sorry.
मैं ऐसे बोल रहा कि आपने बोला ना कि 5 डुप्लीकेट है, 5 यूनिक है.
हाँ.
तो अभी जो अपन ने कोड लिख रखा ना,
हाँ
उसमें अपन क्या करें ऐसा जिससे कि ओनली 5 ही जाए, यूनिक आईडी जाए।
5 ही जाए, 5 ना जाए तो भैया एडमिन साइड से ब्लॉक कर दो ना उसको।
ओके।
हाँ, और यार अपना ना थोड़ा ये माइक भी ठीक करवाओ यार, मतलब ऐसे ही सिर दर्द हो जाता है आवाज सुन के, मतलब ये फटफट के आवाज साफ नहीं आती।
एक minute, like one more thing.
हाँ
So in this situation, in this trigger, with this, whatever we are doing, if we are checking the last name as a duplicate, you put
हाँ
any list, it gonna load.
हाँ
Based on that, it will not gonna check the duplicates at all unless until you already have Amarjit name in it, or else like any list, it gonna load it.
हम्म
Then
हाँ
why are we writing the trigger for the loader then? Like in case if you wanted to check that one, there should be some entries.
हाँ हाँ राइट। सी
So this trigger doesn't make any sense at all, right?
no, trigger doesn't make any sense. I'm just telling you, in case of, let's say trigger, see, you can do it from like from there as well. I'm not saying that you can't do it. So in such case, if there is some circumstances like you won't be able to achieve this thing from admin side, there might be some any other complex things. This is very straightforward actually, whatever we are writing here. Okay, on the behalf of some logic, some additional criteria, if size is greater than these, and if it is let's say we are getting a records with some calculation, if it is comes in the point, if it not comes in the point, there is lots of if else condition and all. It's a complex logic. That thing you won't go from the admin side, you will go on the trigger only. So we are doing with very simple things from the trigger only in this scenario. I'm just telling you how to do this thing from trigger. I also understood, I'm agree from your point. It doesn't make any sense from the trigger if it is achievable with admin side. Right. That's the thing is. So even if I'll say from interview perspective, this is very important things. So please catch these things, and like even everyone asked, I mean 80 to 90% persons ask this question to write a trigger on that. Okay. And okay, fine. So you got it or not now? If I want to make sure that it should also work in case of updation, so what will I do here?
Upsert, right?
Upsert. Okay.
Before insert and before upsert. So I'm checking both.
Update.
Sorry, update. I keep confusing. Yeah.
That means both update and insert and update.
Okay. So, but what I want here, I want to, once I'm updating the record, like it should be work for email. Like it should throw error message for duplicate emails, but I'm creating a record, it should throw an error message in case of duplicate name, last name. How will I do it?
It should throw error message for what? You were breaking.
Duplicate records, if duplicate email ID is existing in the database. So if I'm updating the record, then it should work for email. If I'm creating a record, it should work for duplicate names, duplicate email and duplicate name.
Yeah, you can just add right con dot last name, email address.
Sorry.
No, you can add email address to the parameter, right? Right now you're just getting the last name. You can just add con dot last name, your email address.
How can I segregate the things? Like it should work in this case, it should work in this case. Phone in name should be the like join again class. Please join again. So class is about to end. Okay, please join. Then we will start again.